Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn about Yardi Voyager Software. So the first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for yardi.com and you'd be directed to this website. Okay, so here this is the Yardi website. And then if you want to book a demo, you just have to click on the talk to sales option right here at the top right. And since we don't have enough time to discuss this video if we are going to book for a demo, so what we're going to do here is to try to discuss every products that they have. Okay, so you have to fill out this contact info and then just click on request a demo. Okay, so the Yardi has many products. Okay, so before that, we have the property management. Right here is a comprehensive property management solutions. So we have investment management, integrated solutions for real estate investment success, AI solutions, so AI powered, human centered, and for the procurement, so save time and money in the procurement process. And lastly, the energy, so improve energy efficiency and reduce the cost. Okay, now let's proceed and discuss the different products of the Yardi Voyager. Okay, so let's just click on the products option at the top. So starting off with the Voyager Suite. So for the Voyager Suite, elevate operations with market-leading property software. So the Yardi Voyager is a web-based, full integrated end-to-end platforms with mobile access for larger portfolios to manage operations, execute leasing, run analytics, and provide innovative resident, tenant, and investor services. So for the property operations and financial management in an integrated platform, to align your entire operation, tailor experiences, and then customize your solution stack. So extend your platform within the Voyager ecosystem. Here for the products, don't just collect data, you can connect that. So here, customize your data and get insights like never before. So the Yardi Data Connects provides a secure feed from Yardi Voyager to Microsoft Power BI, enabling infinite customization and incorporation of third parties. So manage content efficiently for ultimate collaboration, power reports with live Yardi data. That's right. And then speed up unit turns and reduce the cost. Track asset depreciation with confidence. Now let's proceed to the next product. So we have the Breeze or the Yardi Breeze. Okay, so here you can also get a demo. Just click on the get demo option. Okay, here you just have to select your property so you'll know how much you'll pay for the property. So here we have the residential features, the commercial features, and all of the features of your property. So we have the affordable for $3, self-storage, we also have associations, and the image. Okay, so here you can get a demo or join a webinar if you want to see it yourself. Now for the next product, we have the Virtuoso. That's right. And now for the Virtuoso. Okay, so here they have an AI powered human centered. So conduct the future with Yardi Virtuoso. So their AI platform will animate the entire Yardi suite for products leveraging machine learning, generative AI, natural language, and large language models. Here we have work orders. So the Virtuoso insights on potential causes and remediation based on work order description. Take a picture to receive further Virtuoso insight in real time. Let the Virtuoso construct resident tenant follow apps to save your team time and increase the consistency. Purchase orders and invoices. So the Virtuoso makes recommendations on whether to approve or review more closely and allows your team to focus on the exceptions to reduce the risk. Marketplace ordering. So take a picture of the item you need. Virtuoso searches Yardi Marketplace based on the picture to easily add items to your cart and then review your cart and check out with Virtuoso. So here, leads and tours. So easily review, assign to deactivate leads, prep for tours in real time with a Virtuoso summary of engagement with prospect. Let the Virtuoso construct prospect follow-ups to save your team time and increase efficiency. Here we have the Virtuoso Planner, so let the Virtuoso guide you on your to-do list. Virtuoso scans items assigned to you or relevant to you and serves up a summary of action items. Easily act on those items within the app. And we have the Virtuoso Assistant to type or talk to get access to data, and inherits Voyager security to ensure users have appropriate access. And datasets will grow over time, making assistants more and more helpful. That's right. So now let us proceed to the next product. Okay. So here we also have the investment suite. Okay. So for the investment suite, complete solution to manage real estate investments, so you can manage your entire investment lifecycle right here. So once connected investment management solutions, so here we can acquire assets to manage pipeline and track deal workflows, streamline your real estate asset acquisition processes, including analytics, due to diligence, and document collection. You have raised capital to send current and prospect investors information to new opportunities, leverage known investor profiles to streamline the subscription agreements process and a deal room-like experience. Next, you can manage the debt as well. So here, oversee all assets and liability debt across your portfolio. So increase visibility into debt portfolio with a platform aligned with the collateral properties managed in Yardi Voyager. Automate complex debt ownership structures and loans with integrated power of investment accounting. Simplify access to loan information to ensure your team is looking at the same data. You can covenant collaterals to manage the risk, increase productivity, automate complex loans and transactions. For the account for ownership, simplify complex financial processes and provide full transparency from investors to asset. Automate financial consolidations, so automate time-consuming complicated tasks and calculations. And of course, you can also manage any ownership structures, so designed to manage all ownership structures and for companies of any size. Here, for pay distribution, you can manage a single source of truth. So automate data transfer, cancellation, and data re-entry with the only solution in the market connected to Yardi. So here, for measure performance, gain real-time transparency investment, configurable dashboard. Here, provide each user group access to rule-specific information important to them and their rule, and definable metrics to compare complex investment returns and financial analytics to internal or industry benchmarks. Okay, and then we also have the reports to investors, so you can provide self-service access through a branded portal. So again, the Yardi Voyager is a comprehensive web-based property management platform, and it's designed for complex real estate operation. The Voyager offers a fully integrated and end-to-end system that's centralizing leasing, accounting, maintenance, and analytics in a single database, ideal for multifamily, commercial, affordable housing, senior living, and more. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.